Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy,
And I'm Michelle Bryant.
and we're so excited about another property we have here in Oakland. As you know, we sell properties all over the Bay Area, and this is a great opportunity. Michelle, what do you think about this one?
I think it's a fantastic commuter paradise and a lovely investment opportunity.
It really is. It's
Yeah.
a duplex, as close to the transit.
Yeah, close to the transit, close to downtown if you work close by. Great location. It's a very up and coming location.
It really is, and you're not
Yeah.
too far away from San Francisco. So let's take a tour.
Welcome to 3328 Martin Luther King Jr. Way, a wonderful opportunity for an investor to own this desirable two-story Oakland duplex. Each of the 2-bed, 1-bath units are tenant-occupied with a 1-year lease. The downstairs unit features a light-filled living area with beautiful hardwood floors, timeless built-ins, and an updated kitchen with tiled floors and butcher block countertops. The bathrooms in both units have newly installed subway tiles and flooring. Ideally located near Highways 580 and 24, Sprouts Market, Alta Bates Summit Hospital, parks, and downtown Oakland.
Thank you so much for taking the tour.
Now, as you saw, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.